everybody. Now I'm going to show you how to use the empirical rule given a normal distribution. Now make sure you have already watched the original video for normal distribution to understand what it is, as well as the empirical rule and where it comes from. All right, go ahead and pause this video and copy down this normal distribution with all the percentages and everything. All righty, now let's go to the first example. It says the mean test score for the math test is a 75 and the standard deviation is 5. What percentage of students scored in between 80 and 90? All right, when they give you the mean, that's the first number you write down the middle. And then you use whatever your standard deviation is to add to the mean to get all the numbers to the right. So you'll keep adding 5 every time. So 75 plus 5 gives me 80. 80 plus 5 gives me 85. 85 plus 5 gives me 90. And then to get the numbers to the left side of it, you're going to subtract 5 every time. 75 minus 5 gives me 70. 70 minus 5 gives me 65. 65 minus 5 gives me 60. All right, now let's answer the question. It says, what percentage of students scored in between 80 and 90? Well, as you can see, 80 and 90 are right here and right here. So the percentages in between those two scores is 13.5 and 2.35. So when you add those two together, you'll get 15.85%. And that's it. All right, let's look at another example. So same situation where the mean is 75 and the standard deviation is 5. Now they're asking what percentage of students scored more than a 90. So looking at these scores, if we're talking about anything that's more than 90, it will have to be to the right of it, correct? Yeah. So therefore, the correct answer will be 0.15%. And that's it. One last example. Same situation with the mean being 75, standard deviation being 5, but this time they're asking what percentage of students scored less than a 60? Well, here's a 60. Anything less than that will have to be to the left. So the only percentages to the left of that is 0.15%. So that's the answer. And that's it.